Hello, everyone. So here we will talk about the protocol data unit. So, or we can also say, different types of PDUs, which are the protocol data units. So this is simply, we can say, a header and a payload or a data which is at every OSI layer, just like we see here in this diagram. I'll just go back. So here, if we talk about, there are actually different terms which are being used for the PDUs. Now, if we talk about the encapsulation, which is done at layer 4, that is actually the PDU4, this one. So this encapsulation, which is done in layer 4, this is actually referred as a segment. So segment is equal to PDU4. So you might, see people talking about in the networking world, they are talking about the TCP segments or UDP segments. So this is what they are actually talking about. Now, the second term is, so first of all, we spoke about this one, which is segment. Then we have an encapsulation, which is done at layer 3, which is equal to PDU3, and this is called as layer 3 IP packet. And then there is an encapsulation which is done at layer 2, which is this one. So this is actually equal to a frame. So this is, by saying a frame, we can say that this is equal to maybe a layer 2 Ethernet frame or Wi-Fi frames. Now, we can also notice that in the PDU2, which is actually this one, we can also see that, apart from the header, which is the L2 header, we also have a trailer, which is actually appended after the data. Now, what is the purpose of the trailer? The trailer is actually used to find out the errors at the time of the transmission of the message. So let's say, layer 2 protocols like Ethernet, Wi-Fi, they actually add a trailer. Now this is for purposes, and it is actually labeled as like CRC or FCS, which is frame check sequence. So this is actually used to find out the errors at the time of the data transmission. So that is the reason we have a trailer for the, whenever we are talking about a layer 2 frame. So this was the overview for the protocol data unit. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you in the next video then. Thank you.